the time when we established the business, I had been a housewife for a few years. By the time this concept of this chilies came in, I became invested. I knew from the first taste that this product is going to get big. So there is one warning that we always say out to our customers, especially the newcomers. Our chili is very addictive, and mostly beware the kick. It comes with a kick. Chuck Chilli is a premium quality chili condiment. It is made from the best quality ingredients. Everything inside that bottle is nothing but premium quality. The world is ready for women in business. Only when I started this business that I realized the support that is around women-owned businesses. I found that once you are in, you find a whole network. I learned so much from so many women, farmers, women agro-processors, women in different sectors of business who had been there before me. And that is also my role now. It gave me a new purpose, gave me a new drive for success, and it also gave me back that drive, that need for me to create something that will live beyond me. It's just great to know that I am creating jobs, not just for my children, but for so many youths that are just staying at home, don't have the skills, don't even know where to start. We registered our business on Takealot in 2019 when the hard lockdown happened the following year. At that time, we were not even sure how we were going to be able to pay rent. A lot of stores were not allowing new products in. So literally we were relying on the sales that were coming from Takealot. So people started seeing this beautiful product. Our product is very beautiful from the packaging. When you see through the glass, you would love what you see, you wanna test it. People were then sending us videos of how they are cooking with the product. Right now, we are at a level of growth where Chuck needs to change gears. If you're going to have a meal, if you're going to be outside, having a picnic, having a braai with your friends, you're cooking something nice and stewy, Chuck.